Hey guys, welcome to the first video on building Ethereum-based games with .NET using the Nethereum library. My name is Kwame and I'll be your instructor for these videos. The first thing that we're going to need to do is to download an editor which will allow us to write our C#.NET code and to connect to the Ethereum blockchain. For this course, I'm choosing Visual Studio Code as it's a very great editor and it's free. After you've downloaded the editor and run the installation, you'll see a window like the following. This is basically a blank window. There's no project set up yet. And our main goal in this video is basically to get the necessary extensions and libraries that are needed in order to create our C#.NET games. On the left-hand side, you'll see an extensions area. And clicking on that, you'll see some pre-installed tools. If you've already installed Unity, some of these will already be installed. But if they're not, in the extensions area, just type in C#. And the main one that you're going to want to have installed is the base language support for C#. This allows you to have your C# syntax highlighting and allows you to also have some predefined areas of the C# language. Another really important tool, and it's also designed by the same developer, is the Solidity extension. This allows you to write your Solidity code, also get syntax highlighting and language syntax tips, and makes the development experience a lot more easier. You can compile your smart contracts, get the ABI, everything that you need in order to work with your smart contracts through this course. After you've had that all installed, you've completed this section and you're ready to go on to the next video. See you in the next one.